Hi, this is Molly from Beast Marketers. Chris asked me to shoot this quick video just to show you a couple tips and tricks that you can do to utilize your website and also your Google business profile to help outrank your competitors. So taking a look, it's a great site, really upfront. One thing that I did notice just coming and clicking through here is that whoever was building this site seems to have stopped right here after Milford to create back pages. Um, and originally I thought, oh, maybe it's because of high population, but I mean, there's plenty of people in, Hillsborough and Loudon and those kind of things. And so I would go through and make the rest of these back pages because these are the things that you're going to want to rank so that you show up in a search around each of these cities. Also, I would recommend content. So Google does like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your front page alone. And the reason why is throughout that content, you can strategically place keywords. So what a keyword is, that's whatever somebody is going to search on Google for your services and for specific locations. So you want to make sure that each of these are linked. So those backlinks that I showed you earlier, each of these you want linked to those pages, like how they are down here, so that you can show up in Google searches. Let's take a look and see. I put your information into a site that we use, and it shows me the basic analytics of how you're performing online. Right now, you are getting about 23 clicks to your site a month. So let's take a look and see why that is, because that's not really something that's going to be generating revenue and bringing in customers for you. You have 740 backlinks coming from 140 referring domains. What a backlink is, that's anytime your website is linked from another site or referring domain, as we call them, and it's pointing direction back to you. However, not all referring domains are created the same. You really do want to go after quality ones rather than quantity, because right now, only 90 of these referring domains are what you call do follow, which means they are actually truly pointing direction back to you. The other 50 are not doing you any good. You're ranking for 63 keywords, so let's take a look. With keywords, there are different types. There's informational or branded or national ones. We're not interested in those. What we want to know is local buyer intent, meaning someone in your area wants to hire you. So right here, perfect example, plumbing in Manchester, New Hampshire. That is searched 450 times a month. You're only getting 5 of those clicks are coming to you, and that's because you're ranked number 13. Manchester, New Hampshire plumbing, search 450 times a month. And take note that even being listed different ways, those are considered 2 different searches. You're getting 4 of those clicks because you're ranked number 14. Bedford right here, searched 80 times a month. You're ranked number 11. You're only getting 2 of those clicks. Plumbers in Concord, search 300 times a month. You're not getting any of those clicks because you're ranked 23. So let's take a look and see. I went ahead and searched plumbing in Manchester and see what pops up. The first thing right here, this is the Google Maps area. This is where your Google business profile really comes into play. You want to rank in the top 3 here for every area you service. So not just Manchester, but Bedford and Goffstown and Concord, every area that you service. The reason why is because 30 to 40% of the people who search this are going to stop and click on one of these sites right here. So the way you do that is make sure when you fill out your Google business profile, the about section on the bottom, you want that completely optimized using keywords. You want to be posting branded and optimized geotagged photos weekly to your Google business profile. Be sure that you're responding to every single one of your Google reviews. Most business owners don't know they're supposed to be doing that. And finally, the most important one is citations. So what a citation is, that's any time that your business information is listed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. There are thousands of those directories out there. So you want to go after as many as you can. That's going to help you move up in your Google business profile. Scrolling down, the top competitor I found is Paul the Plumber, New Hampshire. We click him, and Paul the Plumber has ranked his Manchester back page, and that's why all those back pages are important, so that you show up in these searches. So They have 1.25 thousand backlinks coming from 318 referring domains. So you want to come in here and find what referring domains your competitors have got, and you want to not only match them, but outrank them by at least 100 referring domains. Paul is ranking for 2.2 thousand keywords, which is bringing them 1.3 thousand clicks a month to their site. So you go in here and just like you do with the referring domains, find what keywords your competitors are ranking for, and that will let you know which keywords you need all throughout your content. We don't want these branded ones. We want ones like plumber, New Hampshire. Well, New Hampshire's what is it, 3 hours across? It's a decently large state. We want plumber, Concord, New Hampshire. That's searched 300 times a month, and he's getting 29 of those clicks because he's ranked number 4. So those are the kind of things you want to go after. I hope that this video is helpful and beneficial. Again, it's just a really great way to utilize your website and your Google business profile. It's going to help you grow and outrank your competitors nearby. We really look forward to your feedback, and we hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.